my channel again. I'm here to explain something about linked list, but I chose this the first is the second exercise to do. Sorry, I'm starting linked list for today, if I remember, if I'm correctly, exactly that. For that, what we have here, add two numbers. You are given to no empty linked list represent to no negative integers. The digits are stored in reverse order. In each of they not contain a single digit. Add the two numbers, it returns the sum has linked list. You may assume the two numbers to do not contain any leading zero except the number 0 itself. Okay, we have some explanation how these work. If I'm correct, that is the sum of these two numbers. When the sum is bigger than 10, for example, because here we have this condition. Yeah, we need to do some like division and take the rest of division. The firstly, if I'm correct, we have two linked list. First one, second one. We need to create the third linked list, like for with this node we have the sum of these two nodes. I have here, for example, what is me node, what is the node in one linked list is like this structure that we can save. For example, one value, they have a pointer to the next node. Okay, the data for storage in this node can be, for example, an integer, number, or letter, like you want, for example. But in this case, we have number, we have storage number here. What's happened? That's the first node, and the one linked list we call the head because this is the first. In the last node, in sometimes we call the tail. In the tail, his pointer is null because he is not vinculated with other node. For example, this first node is linked with the second. If the second is linked with this node is linked with this node. Okay, that is the linked list. Is not a double list, like because it's possible to go here, understand? But when you are here, in some time to come here is hard. It's like other case, but we can do, start to go to here, 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 wherever. I need to say like sorry for my English. Uh, I'm trying to improve my English. I'm studying English. I'm studying English. Yeah, well, here we can see, for example, yes, linked list is the structure where we can save in one block, for example, one data, the pointer that is vinculated with the next node. Okay, we have this explanation. I come here. For that, we have some condition. How we will solve this problem? Um, the firstly, in my mind, what I have concretely, well, I will start to create like a dumb um, linked list. It's not a linked list, it's list node. I will copy pass here. I will like pointer. I will create the head. For example, the head will receive uh, the I will create the car will be equal 0. After that, I will start the condition. Um, I need to create one loop. This loop will give me the possibility to go, for example, when I start here, to go here and here. But we have one problem if you are see. If you look here, for example, this last node, his pointer is nil or null in this case. I call nil because I am use Go here. I need to explain. I'm use Go because I'm study Go too. But this pointer is his pointer of this node is null or nil in this case for Go because we don't have the nest after this node. For that, if we start to create one loop, I need to create one condition that I will start looping this node, for example. But when I come here, I need to stop. One second, I need to stop. This explanation is for this case too. For that, I will create a for. After create a for, I will create like link the list one. If they we if he will be like different of nil or other case equals to will be different of nil. But in this case, I need to the other condition that is square need to be bigger than 0. Okay. After creating this condition, because when it the linked the first link of the list um, will be equal to nil, this means that we are here. We don't have the nest after that. We don't have the nest because if we look here, the last the last the last point, the last node, his pointer is null. His pointer is null. Um, for that, I have this is I need to create one sum because I need to sum this number. If you take the pay attention um, the content, I will say that sum will be equal to char because in this moment in the first iteration char is 0. If that is good because some will receive the 0, we will start with them. After that, I will create one other condition that's for the first linked list. The first linked list will be different nil. What I will create here, for example, well, I need to explain very simple about that. Look, I have this head, for example, I need to go here, go here. For yes, I need to do this thing. this interaction. But the problem of this interaction is that on head we have the next one cent. With this next we can to connect with other node. For that, what I will do, for example, here I know that this is the first one. For that, I will tell him, like, for example, uh, L1 will be no will be equal to L1 dot next. Why? Because I know in this case I'm on the first node. I'm on the first node. On the second iteration of this loop, this node, for example, this node will receive this entire value. Like for example, will be like that. The first iteration. The second is like that. We will receive other next. This second next, understand? It will go here, here, like that. Okay. Um, for that, I need to do the sum here. How I will sum, like sum, no, sum, this variable that we create there will be sum like equal to L1 dot the value, that is the value is the, because I told you that in one node we have to think data in the nest. Nest is the pointer, data is the place that we store some value. Okay. After that we have type here var. Okay. We need to create the second iteration. The second will be different of nil, and we need to do the same. Sum will be equal L1 dot val. Not L1, L2, but sorry for my mistake. L2 dot which is what I'm doing. L2 dot next. Okay. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Okay. After that, what we need to do? Um, we need to create, for example, mm, for example, the car. Okay. The car in this case will be equal to, for example, the sum for 10, because the last we know uh, this condition, it's a guaranteed that is the last representative number that don't have linear zero, but we have like this condition. For example, we don't have to like to store 10 in one node. Is not correct, for because this condition don't not allow this thing. For that we will divide this value for 10, for 1 cent. We will divide for 10. After we divide, we will take the value here. It will save here on sum. After we save on sum, we will we use like we'll store and sum. After we'll store and sum, we'll sum like sum, or addition like addition. Okay, to say this thing. Yes. Addi- yes, for sum, the first value of the linked list is sum of the first value of the second linked list. Um, Here I need to like to insert the yes, I need to create the insert for the value that we are taking and sum. I need to store um, this news value. For that, I will create one. We have two ways to store to insert the value. The first is start from head, or we can store from tail is the last node of the linked list. But in this case, I will store with head. For example, I will create head dot next will be equal equal um, um what's the value in the list we have inside this the value. On the value we will store the sum, but we will take wholly for example his rest of division. We need to store whole rest of division. Why rest of division? Because um, yes, we need to store whole rest of division because the something, for example, because the condition that we have here to storage, and because in some time the sum will be for example uh, one case um, or 10 for example. Yes, 10 for example. I don't need to store 10 here. I need to store whole 0. I need to store whole 0. It is 1. I will store 0 here, for example, because I will store here will be 10. I will store, yes, one case. Sum is 10. I will store 0 here. After store 0, this one that is this one, what is where I will take this one is result of that one cent, because we will be uh, 10 divided by 10 will be equal 1 cent is that. I will take this one. After that, on the second note, I will sum, for example, will be like for example sum will be equal uh, um, sum like the someone, for example, that someone plus sum 2 plus this value, one set, this one here plus this one. This value, one set, we will again save here, one set, we will again save here. It's like that. um I'm trying to speak better. I will speak better. I will speak better. I know, because I'm studying. That is the process. It's not, I don't know all the word to explain, but I'm taking that is taking time. But I will do this thing very fast for you guys. Yeah, I have head here dot nest no equal head dot nest, because I know, for example, because I will storage on the first node um, this value. On the second node, I will store the second value like that. Um, Here, I will return um, is them. I will copy dot nest. Yeah, dot nest. I think is correct. I will try to run. Um, if we have some bug, I will fix right now. Yeah. Here need to be a pointer. Why? Need to be the same. Link the list. Okay. I think it's correct right now. Okay. Pause it. Okay, guys. That I did. See you the next time. See you the next time. I will try to speak better.